Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Lottie files in your WordPress website. It's very simple. I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can download these Lottie files and how you can upload in your WordPress website and how it will work. Okay, first of all, let's select one of the animation. For example, Questify. Click on that and you can see the download button here and click on select on your first project and save. After saving, the next window will open and there are a lot of options on the right side, but you need to click on Lottie JSON file. Okay, click on the download button and it will start downloading and you will get that file. After that, go to your page where you wanna put that Lottie file. Okay, for example this is a section. Okay, I want to put the Lottie file in there. Okay, so just find Lottie, drag and drop that file. Okay, and middle there is two option, media file and external URL. So media file, click on upload, continue, upload that file we already downloaded and click select and you can see there is a Lottie file, completely working Lottie file. And in setting you can change those options like on click. When you click on that, then animation will appear. Okay, and on hover, when you go over there, so it will animate. After scroll. Okay, so these are some options. So you can download any file from there and upload on your WordPress website. All right, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. See you. Tata. Bye bye.